It's a 2011 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident. The cabin is elegant and sporty. The performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: V6 engine, rear-wheel drive, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, external memory control, memory steering wheel settings, dual-zone climate control, command AM/FM satellite prep radio, power tilting steering column, memory audio settings, and memory exterior door mirror settings. The Car Connection finds across the line build quality is tight, material selection is mostly excellent, and quietness is a strength. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.